Your Google Pixel phone has an easy mode, or simple view, as Google likes to call it, and it's designed to strip away the complexity of modern smartphone navigation while making the screen much easier to read. You can enable Simple View during the initial setup the first time you're turning on your phone, or you can turn it on later in the settings. If you didn't turn this on during the initial setup, we can go to Settings and then scroll down to Accessibility. Once you're in the Accessibility menu, you'll scroll down to Simple View and then use the toggle to turn it on. You'll see how everything gets a little bigger on your screen, and if your phone was using the swipe-based gesture navigation, it'll replace that with the button navigation, where you'll simply have 3 buttons on the bottom for navigating your phone. This also bumps up your touch sensitivity, which can make it easier to navigate your phone. One thing to note is that there's a difference whether you turn on Simple View during the initial phone setup or later in the settings. When turning it on during the Welcome to Pixel setup wizard, it changes more things. It forces a 4x4 app grid, gives you a high contrast wallpaper, locks the home screen suggested apps for consistency, and it gives you contact, clock, and weather app shortcuts. Unfortunately, if you skip it during the initial setup, there's no way to go back to that. But a lot of those extra features can be later turned on individually in your settings. And that's how you use the Simple View on a Pixel phone. Tap that like button if this helped you, and subscribe on your way out. I post similar, easy, and quick guides almost every day. Thanks all. Until next time.